What's up, crypto enthusiasts? Today, I'm going to show you another project at a very early stage. It's called MultiSync. MultiSync is a desktop client app. To register, you'll need to join Discord and have a specific wallet, the Phantom wallet. So what is MultiSync? The answer is on their website. MultiSync is a decentralized, low-latency sync network that allows users to monetize their excess internet bandwidth by selling it to developers, creating seamless online experiences. There are two types of users in this system: coders and syncers. We'll be working as syncers today, and I'll show you how to set up the synchronizer. First things first, if you don't have Phantom Wallet installed, install it now. Then follow these steps. Open the wallet, go to Settings, select All Networks, and enable the Monad network by sliding the toggle to the right. Connect the wallet to the MultiSync site, click the orange button, and verify your wallet. Next step, getting your activation key for the client. To do this, you'll need to enter a community name. Try using mine. If it doesn't work, go to Discord and get a fresh code. Then enter the code and generate your activation key. Moving on to the installation of the client. Select your operating system, download the app, and install it. Almost done. Just a few steps left. In the client window, check the box to accept the terms, input your key, and lastly, add the Monad network address to your Phantom wallet. Go back to your wallet, where you previously enabled the Monad network, and copy its address. Paste it into the corresponding field and hit Connect. Congratulations! You're now part of the network. A small tip: the synchronizer does not minimize to the tray. Instead of clicking Close, simply hide it and it'll remain visible on the taskbar. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy syncing!